Here, Romeo, you want a Christmas present? Do you want one, Ariana? Santa came! Best Christmas present ever!
I want to open it.
Open it. Hurry.
That's mine.
Open it, Roms. Look. Open your present. Open it. Rip it. Open. Wow, Romeo, a pull-up. Romeo, look! Sissy's pull-up! Do you like it?
What is it?
Helper Lily? Are you excited? Yay!
Open this.
Open it. Open it.
Open it. It's a necklace of Justin Bieber.
Stop!
What is it? Pickles?
No!
Huh?
No!
I thought you liked pickles. Do you like pickles? No? Justin Bieber likes pickles.
No, you can't.
That's the best present ever, huh?
No, that's your Romeo.
Anna, that's the best present, huh?
No, that's
Anna.
yours.
That's your only present this year. Santa brought that special. Do you like them? How come? You don't want to eat them? But look. Look. Baby. Baby pickles. Romeo, do you want to eat them? You want to eat them? Do you want them, Mariana?
No.
Okay. Do you want to eat it, Romeo? You didn't like your present? Why? Huh? Go give it to Sissy. Go give it. Okay, Rana.